Yesterday, I go to work. I see my friend. We eat lunch together. Sound familiar? If you say sentences like this, you are using present tense for the past. Today, you will fix this with 7 verbs that describe almost any day in English.
I am Angela. Welcome to English Dialogue Studio. To talk about yesterday, you use the past simple tense. Regular verbs just add ed. I worked. She watched TV. He called a friend. But the most common English verbs are irregular. They change completely. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. Have becomes had. These are the verbs every English learner needs most.
Here is a full morning in past simple. I woke up, had a shower, made breakfast, went to work, and met a colleague. Wake becomes woke. Have becomes had. Make becomes made. Go becomes went. Meet becomes met. None of them add ed. Each has its own past form. For negatives, I did not wake up late. I did not go by car. Did comes out and the verb stays in its base form.
Yesterday, I woke up early. I had coffee and made toast. I went to the office and met my team. Now change these. I go to the park. Say it. I went to the park. I eat pizza. I ate pizza. I see a friend. I saw a friend.
Mini quiz. Number 1. Every day I go for a run. Yesterday I for a run. Number 2. Every morning I have coffee. Yesterday morning I coffee. Number 3. I do not usually see him, but yesterday I him at the shops.
Number 1. I went for a run. Go becomes went. Number 2. I had coffee. Have becomes had. Number 3. I saw him at the shops. See becomes saw. 3 verbs, 3 past forms. Went, had, saw. Add wake, make, and meet, and you can describe your entire day in natural English. Woke, had, made, went, met, ate, saw. Learn these 7, and yesterday becomes easy.
Follow English Dialogue Studio by KKR for clear English practice.
See you in the next lesson.